This is the south tunnel entrance. You can see it has a steeper slope to it than the north entrance. And as soon as you are in under the lid, it begins to flatten out. That was a couple of the ventilation fans that are supposed to keep smog exhaust fumes cleared out of the tunnel. So let's see what we got here. So far so good. Traffic is doing okay. There's a bit of traffic ahead of me. There's a bit of traffic behind me. All of it is in the right lane. I think what's going to happen up here is everybody is going to be trying to exit right to go to Mercer. And that means that I will need to get into the left lane to avoid all the right turning traffic. Okay, so it looks like we are beginning to go upward. So the turn to Mercer Street is right in 1 mile. So we'll see what happens with the traffic, and if it starts backing up on the right, then we'll get on the left and go around traffic. There are stoplights. Okay, maybe not. Traffic is slowing down on the right. Nobody's in the left lane behind me. So far, so good. The tunnel is working well, but nobody is at work because weather was so bad today, everybody stayed home. So I bet the traffic is going to be pretty bad here in the next few days when people start driving again, when weather clears up. Mercer Street to I-5, exit coming up. Okay, good, it has its own exit. No backup. Very nice. And that was the hard right turn they were talking about to Mercer. And we are crossing over Mercer Street. And there you have it. We just made it through the new tunnel. Here's a bus on the left side of us getting on from downtown. So yeah, that worked out pretty well, going northbound too. But the big test is on a day with nicer weather when everybody goes to work. And as you can see, the buses do a nice job of slowing things down.